Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install RAR and zip packing or unpacking app on your Nokia X10. And to do this, first we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here, go for the search and enter RAR. It's R-A-R. Hit the search button, select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open this app, allow to manage all files, go back, dismiss this notification, and the app will be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.